Hi kids! Welcome to iLearn Tutorials. Our lesson for today is all about divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. The divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9 are grouped because they require computing the sum of the digits. So, kailangan natin i-add ang mga digits ng isang given number. To start with, let's have the divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, we need to add all the digits and then we're going to divide the sum by 3. Okay, so for example, is 342 divisible by 3? So, we have two steps here. Step 1, add all the digits. So, we have 3 plus 4 plus 2 equals 9. Step 2, divide the sum by 3. So we have 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Since the quotient is 3 at wala siyang remainder, that means 9 is divisible by 3. At dahil yung 9 is divisible by 3, the given number, which is 342, is also divisible by 3. Next example is 561 divisible by 3. So again, we need to add all the digits. Now we have 5 plus 6 plus 1 equals 12. Next will be divide the sum by 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So dahil wala ulit remainder, ibig sabihin 12 is divisible by 3. So that means the given number, which is 561, is also divisible by 3. Next one is 163 divisible by 3. Let's add all the digits. 1 plus 6 plus 3 equals 10. Now let's divide the sum by 3. 10 divided by 3 equals 3 remainder of 1. So this time, may remainder na yung quotient natin. Ibig sabihin, 10 is not divisible by 3. At dahil hindi siya divisible by 3, therefore, 163 is not divisible by 3. Another one is 3,615 divisible by 3. Let's add all the digits. 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 equals 15. Now let's divide the sum by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Since walang remainder, ibig sabihin 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 3,615 is divisible by 3. Now let's discuss the divisibility rule for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So bakit kaya 2 and 3? It's because 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Kasi diba, 2 times 3 equals 6. This time, we need to check two divisibility rules. I advise na unahin ninyo ang divisibility rule for 2 dahil mas madali siyang gawin compare sa divisibility rule for 3. So, kailangan lang kasi nating malaman kung ano ba yung ones digit or yung last digit ng isang given number. So, paano nga ulit natin malalaman kung ang isang given number ay divisible by 2? Okay, so dun sa last lesson natin, ang isang number ay divisible by 2 kung ang kanyang ones digit or last digit ay either 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. So, alin man doon sa 5 numbers na nabanggit ko, kapag yun ang ones digit ng isang given number, ibig sabihin, yung number na yon ay divisible by 2. Ngayon, kung ang isang number ay divisible by 2, i-check naman natin kung divisible din ba siya by 3. So, paano nga ulit natin malalaman kung divisible by 3 ang isang number? Okay, so yan yung kakatapos lang na na-discuss ko kanina. So, we need to add all the digits and then we're going to divide the sum by 3. So, kapag divisible yung sum by 3, that means the given number is also divisible by 3. So, kung divisible siya by 2 and by 3, ibig sabihin that given number is also divisible by 6. Let's have some examples. Is 126 divisible by 6? So, ang unahin nating i-check ay kung divisible siya by 2. Ano ang ones digit? Okay, so the ones digit is 6. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Now, since divisible siya by 2, i-check naman natin kung divisible din ba siya by 3. So, let's add all the digits. We have 1 plus 2 plus 6 equals 9. Next, divide the sum by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Since walang remainder, 9 is divisible by 3. So, ibig sabihin, 126 is divisible by 3. So, dahil divisible by 2 and 3 ang 126, therefore, it is also divisible by 6. Next example is 176 divisible by 6. Okay, so let's check kung divisible ba siya by 2. Ang ones digit ay 6. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. This time, let's check kung divisible by 3 naman siya by adding all the digits. We have 1 plus 7 plus 6 equals 14. Now, i-divide naman natin yung sum by 3. We have 14 divided by 3 equals 4 remainder 2. At dahil may remainder, that means hindi divisible by 3 ang 14. At hindi rin divisible by 3 ang 176. So, dahil divisible lang by 2 ang 176 at hindi naman siya divisible by 3, hindi rin siya divisible by 6. Next is 255 divisible by 6. Let's check kung divisible ba siya by 2. What is the ones digit? Okay, so the ones digit is 5. So therefore, it is not divisible by 2. So dahil hindi siya divisible by 2, hindi na natin kailangan i-check kung divisible ba siya by 3. Kasi kahit divisible by 3 siya, kung hindi naman siya divisible by 2, ibig sabihin, it is not divisible by 6. Our next divisibility rule is the divisibility rule for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. So, same process lang din siya ng divisibility rule for 3. Ang difference lang nila is we're going to divide the sum by 9 this time. Examples. Is 135 divisible by 9? So, we have 2 steps then, katulad kanina sa divisibility rule for 3. Step 1, add all the digits. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. Step 2, divide the sum by 9. So we have 9 divided by 9 equals 1. So dahil walang remainder, that means 9 is divisible by 9. And of course, the given number, which is 135, is also divisible by 9. Next example is 768 divisible by 9. Now let's add all the digits. We have 7 plus 6 plus 8 equals 21. Divide the sum by 9. 21 divided by 9 is 2, remainder 3. So may remainder tayo. That means 21 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 768 is not divisible by 9. Next example is 684 divisible by 9. Add all the digits. 6 plus 8 plus 4 equals 18. Divide the sum by 9. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So dahil walang remainder, that means 18 is divisible by 9 and the given number, which is 684, is divisible by 9. Okay, so that's all for this video. Now, let's recall kung ano ba yung natandaan nyo sa lahat ng mga na-discuss ko kanina. What is the divisibility rule for 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Now, what is the divisibility rule for 6? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 siya because 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Now, what is the divisibility rule for 9? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. Very good. Now, let's check. Identify if the numbers are divisible by the given number. Can 516 be divided by 3? Now, let's add all the digits. 5 plus 1 plus 6 equals 12. Now, 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Since ang quotient natin ay walang remainder, that means 12 is divisible by 3. So, therefore, 516 is also divisible by 3. So the answer is yes. Next, can 436 be divided by 6? So i-check natin ang two divisibility rules. The first one will be the divisibility rule for 2. So ano ba ang ones digit? The ones digit is 6, therefore it is divisible by 2. Ngayon, i-add naman natin ang lahat ng digits. 4 plus 3 plus 6 equals 13. 13 divided by 3 equals 4 remainder 1. So dahil may remainder, that is not divisible by 3. So dahil divisible by 2 lang siya at hindi naman siya divisible by 3, hindi rin siya divisible by 6. So, it's a no. Next, can 789 be divided by 9? Now, let's add all the digits. 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals 24. 24 divided by 9 equals 2 remainder 6. So dahil may remainder tayo, 24 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, ang 789 ay hindi rin divisible by 9. So the answer is no. Next, can 846 be divided by 9? Okay, so let's add all the digits. We have 8 plus 4 plus 6 equals 18. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So dahil walang remainder, that means 18 is divisible by 9 and 846 is also divisible by 9. So, it's a yes. Next one, can 163 be divided by 3? Let's add all the digits. 1 plus 6 plus 3 equals 10. Now 10 divided by 3 equals 3 remainder 1. So dahil may remainder, ang 163 ay hindi divisible by 3. So it's a no. Okay, last one. Can 642 be divided by 6? Check muna natin kung divisible ba siya by 2. Ano ang ones digit? So dahil 2 ang ones digit, it is divisible by 2. Now let's check kung divisible by 3 naman siya. Let's add all the digits. 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So that means it is also divisible by 3. So dahil divisible by 2 at 3 ang 642, it is also divisible by 6. So the answer is yes. Now let's apply. Circle the number if it is divisible by the given number. The first number is 108. So tingnan natin kung divisible ba siya by 3, by 6, at by 9. So para i-check natin kung divisible ba siya by 3, we need to do the 2 steps. First one, add all the digits. 1 plus 0 plus 8 equals 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Now, since walang remainder, 18 is divisible by 3, and 108 is also divisible by 3. So, in-circle natin ang 3. Yan. So, i-check naman natin kung divisible siya by 6. So, dahil divisible siya by 3 at nagawa na natin kasi yun kanina, we just need to check kung divisible ba siya by 2. So, what is the ones digit? The ones digit is 8. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. So, dahil divisible siya by 3 and 2, that means divisible din ang 108 by 6. Okay. So, now, tingnan natin kung divisible siya by 9. So, kanina, na-i-add na natin ng digits dun sa divisibility rule for 3. So, wag na nating ulitin. Ang sum kanina ay 18. So, let's just divide 18 by 9. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So, dahil walang remainder, 18 is divisible by 9. 108 is also divisible by 9. Next number is 7,254. So, i-add natin ang lahat ng digits for the divisibility rule for 3. 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 equals 18. So, 18 ulit. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So, ang 18 ay divisible by 3. That means 7,254 is divisible by 3 as well. Yan. So, let's proceed in the divisibility rule for 6. So, divisible siya by 3. We need to check naman kung divisible siya by 2. What is the ones digit? The ones digit is 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. So, dahil divisible siya by 3 and 2, it is also divisible by 6. Next, divisibility rule for 9 naman. Na-i-add na natin kanina and the sum is 18. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the given number is divisible by 9 as well. Okay, next. 96. So, let's add all the digits. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So dahil walang remainder, 15 is divisible by 3 and 96 is also divisible by 3. Ngayon naman, tingnan natin kung divisible ba siya by 6. So divisible siya by 3. Tingnan natin kung divisible siya by 2. What is the ones digit? The ones digit is 6. Since 6 ang ones digit, ibig sabihin that is divisible by 2. So divisible siya by 2 and 3. Divisible din ang 96 by 6. Now for the divisibility rule for 9, ang sum kanina ay 15. Let's divide 15 by 9. 15 divided by 9 equals 1 remainder 6. So, dahil may remainder, ibig sabihin, hindi divisible by 9 ang 96. Next number, 55,971. Let's add all the digits. 5 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 equals 27. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So, dahil ang 27 ay divisible by 3, ibig sabihin the given number is also divisible by 3. Okay, so for the divisibility rule for 6, dahil divisible siya by 3, i-check natin kung divisible by 2. Ano ang ones digit? The ones digit is 1. Therefore, that is not divisible by 2. So, dahil hindi divisible by 2 at divisible lang siya by 3, hindi siya divisible by 6. Now, for the divisibility rule for 9, the sum earlier is 27. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. So, walang remainder. That means the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, next. 201. 2 plus 0 plus 1 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So therefore, 3 is divisible by 3 and 201 is also divisible by 3. Okay, so for divisibility rule for 6, tingnan natin kung divisible ba by 2 ito. The ones digit is 1. Therefore, it is not divisible by 2. So, hindi rin siya divisible by 6. Now, for the divisibility rule for 9, ang sum kanina ay 3. 3 divided by 9 equals, so dahil mas malaki ang 9 kesa sa 3, kapag gumamit kayo ng calculator, your answer will be in a decimal number, which is 0.333, repeating decimal yon. Ngayon, kapag naman in fraction form, that is 3 over 9 or 1/3 kapag lowest term. So, that means hindi divisible by 9 ang 3. At hindi rin divisible by 9 ang 201. For the last given, 4,025. I-add natin lahat ng digits. 4 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals 11. 11 divided by 3 equals 3 remainder 2. Dahil may remainder, 11 is not divisible by 3 and the given number is not also divisible by 3. Now, dahil hindi siya divisible by 3, hindi rin siya divisible by 6. Now, for the divisibility rule for 9 naman, ang sum kanina ay 11. So, 11 divided by 9 equals 1 remainder 2. Dahil may remainder, 11 is not divisible by 9 and the given number ay hindi rin divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 6, it is automatically divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by 9, it is automatically divisible by 3. So, mapapansin niyo yan dun sa last activity natin. Kapag yung given number ay divisible by 6 or divisible by 9, automatically divisible din siya by 3. Ngayon yung last given natin, which is 4,025, hindi siya divisible by 3, kaya hindi rin siya divisible by 6 or by 9. Bakit kaya ganun? It's because 3 is one of the factors of 6 and 9. So, di ba yung 6? 2 times 3 equals 6. And for 9 naman, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, ang 3 ay factor ng 6 at ng 9. Thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo. See you on our next lesson. Bye!